welcome back to another video, guys. Remember, the giveaway on the twin turbo setup or $3,000 cash ends this month. You got about 3 days. Get your entries. All you have to do to get entered to the turbo kit giveaway is subscribe to my Instagram. If you subscribe to my Instagram, you will also see behind the scenes of everything we do, so make sure to go over there and subscribe. Also, guys, the giveaway on the truck is on right now, and right now we're doing 15 times entries. Shop right now, hit the link on the first comment and get your entries. That's estamos, guys. Enjoy the video and make sure to drop a comment and subscribe, guys. We're almost at 400,000 subscribers. We need about 400 more people to subscribe and we'll be there. Get your friends, your grandma, your grandpa, your niece, nephews, subscribe. Guys, we came to wash the Mamalona dually because we haven't washed it since our last show. And this truck has been filthy, so we came to where we used to come all the time, Cancun Auto Detail, over here in Veterans Memorial. These guys get down with this car wash. Jesus. ¿Qué se va?
Buenas. Aquí al siguiente.
You think I could take that truck to you today or what?
¿Quieres que vaya por ella atrás?
I'll take it.
Okay, what time?
Like around 12.
Okay. Can you do 1 o'clock?
Yeah, I can do 1. That's cool.
Alright, bye. I'll catch you there, 1.
Yeah, I mean, if you need me to go later, that's cool. I mean, it don't matter.
1's fine, just because I have to leave my family at the airport.
You leaving them right now or later?
After, like, I think they're going to leave in a little bit because their plane got delayed.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll be there around 1 or 2. And if you need me to go around 2, then I'll just go around 2. It don't matter.
Yes, sir. No, but I'll be there 1, bro.
Órale, ya está, güey.
Yes, sir.
That's right, guys. We're taking the blue truck to Speedy Headlines so he can do a badass interior. First, we gotta get this truck washed because it's embarrassing driving it like this. Now, I could wash it myself, but it'll take me all day to wash this truck, guys. So, alright, just pay. Like the Shelby and the other single cabs, I wash them in 2 hours. But this big ass truck, not me. No, that's cool. I'll have to be there around 1 como quiera, güey.
Yes, sir. Hey, can you do me a favor?
¿Qué onda?
Can you bring me 2 shirts, bro? An L and an XL. Las que tú quieras.
Okay, I got you, güey.
Yes, sir. Arre.
Órale.
He changed his plans.
Nah, he was supposed to drop somebody off at the airport, but he said that their plane got delayed till Friday, so we could go whatever time we want. It's all good in the hood. To the shot.
Snap on.
We got the Snap-on guy collecting his money. All right, guys. So as you know, we gave the truck a nice clean wash. Them guys outdid themselves with the wash. They put nice Armor all inside and on the outside. We used to go there a long time ago. We used to be going over there when we had all the single cabs and when we stayed on that side of town. But now that we're over here in Conroe, guys, it takes a minute for us to drive all the way over there. But yeah, they did a good job. ¿Qué onda, ¿cómo anda? Pasé por el levantarlo de una vez.
Sí, no, me dijo, pinche Nico.
Pues escúchalo, man. Ahí está, he was gonna ship it out, pero pues le dije, no, pues aquí está un compa que lo quiere ahorita.
¿Quería ver?
Aquí andamos, como desde Norte Carolina. ¿Vinieron a visitar familia acá o qué?
Acá en Bay City.
Órale, órale.
Ya de regreso fue que...
¿Qué dijeron? Vamos a pasar allá a la tienda a ver qué está.
Está lejos, pero...
¿Está retirado, verdad?
Sí.
Sí, está bien que pasaron. ¿Ya pasaron para adentro o no?
Ya, compro la gorra este.
Órale, órale. ¿Cómo las cosas?
Me lo dijo, ¿dónde está el Corvette? Está el
Lo
Corvette.
tengo, le están haciendo rap nuevo. You want a picture or something? ¿Sí? A ver, ¿dónde mero? ¿Aquí?
¿Dónde?
Para que se vea la tienda.
Mira, lo que levanta hasta una diésel, prende la pinche troca diésel.
Guys.
Ese hay que traerlo para los eventos.
Ya andaba llore. Oh, we need to get a new
That's a good brand.
jumper, this and that. So we got them the top of the line.
Ay, anda, llore, culero. Puro pedo.
Vale.
For Christmas?
Lo ocupa.
Te llegó tu Christmas, vale.
Dile.
Jumper. Vale. ¿Qué le hace? ¡Hala! Oh, you got a new cross member for the transmission?
Yeah.
Damn it, boy. New drive shaft?
Vale.
Damn. What all have you done to the truck, Wally?
Pretty much I put the whole transmission with the torque converter.
Built by Juan's Transmission. Big shout out to Juan's Transmission. He came through with it.
He gave me the drive shaft today too.
Oh, that's a drive shaft for the
four lady.
For a lady.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I do that already too. Pussy
unit.
already, because this one it has another pussy unit, but the other one it wasn't ready for the turbo, you know. It wasn't
Damn it, boy.
good. So I got that done.
And up here, you got the turbo kit already installed or what?
Yeah, I got the turbo kit, I got the intercooler, I got the high ramp, I had the turbo mounted already. I just need to put the cross over.
And do all the piping.
I just need to do this side. This one is ready, almost ready, and I just need this one. And that one, I might need a GR5 a little, need help.
What happened in your nose?
Se peleó, guys. Déjenmela a mí, por favor.
¿Te peleaste, güey?
Se peleó Vargas, compadre.
No, ese fue el
Llegué.
drive shaft.
No.
Llegué y estaba Vargas madreado. Le dije, ¿qué pasó? Me peleé.
¿Con qué?
quién? Con la marcha. Con
¿Con
la
la marcha?
estara. Se le cae la estara en la nariz.
Estaba con el impacto y la estaba agarrando el tornillito. So, no sé por qué volteé por un lado, oí como un ruido, volteé, ya cuando volteé para arriba, ¡pum! A la verga.
Haz de cuenta que la estara le hizo como el vato ese que le avienta tierra y luego le hizo así. Ponlas, cabrón.
Damn it, boy. We're getting these trucks ready. So, ¿para cuándo prende esta, güey?
Si ahorita todo me sale bien, voy a empezar con el fuel system. Si compadre ya me echa una manita ahí con el pipe que falta, pueda que prenda.
We might just hear this truck turn on today, guys.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. But first, we gotta go pick up the blue truck from Papa Exclusive and take it to Speedy Headliners. Let's go.
¿Dijiste dónde vamos?
Alright, guys, so we're gonna go pick up the Mamalona truck from Papa Exclusive and we're gonna go deliver it at Speedy Headliners. Let's go. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Damn it, boy. Están las dos giveaways. Holy macaroni. Holy macaroni.
¿Qué onda, May? Ya iba yo para aquel lado. ¿Oh, sí? ¿Cómo andas? ¿Todo bien?
Echándole
Echándole ganas y bien, al 100.
Listo para que se acabe el año y empiecen
Ay, pues ya vinimos a levantar la mamalona.
todo.
Guys, before the end of the year tenemos que empezar bien recio desde antes, más para agarrar vuelo.
No, es que ya que ahorita ya está recio.
Sí, ya desde ahorita.
Están recios ahorita.
Porque para entrar del año, a pasar así, como las piedras con los eventos así que van, no caen
Los
al agua.
patitos, ¿no?
Sí, que nomás van así rebotando hasta el otro lado.
Se tiene que sentir el impulso desde ahorita, güey, si no.
El impulso. Nada, veníamos a levantar la mamalona, man.
Va.
Ya le hablé a Speedy y dice que se la llevaras o...
De una vez.
Ah, ok. Listo.
Ponerlas y vámonos, Rikis.
Déjeme, pues trae la llave ahí, man.
Ay, cabrón, de veras.
So yeah, guys, we gonna be taking
Güey, no,
this.
es que está tan chingona la camioneta que todos los que pasan se toman una foto, les gusta el pinche color.
¿Sí?
Se ve mamalona.
Por eso la pone aquí afuera.
Sí, a
¿para
huevo.
qué?
Que
Display.
llama la atención.
So yeah, guys, we're picking this truck up. Like I said, this is our 1 month giveaway. It ends January 15th, guys. So get your entries right now. We're doing 15 times entries for every $10 you spend. If you haven't bought anything, make sure to buy it. This truck is one of a kind. It really, truly is. It's up sitting on 28. We got the cut rear end, dropped down by the setup, paint by Pop Exclusive, and we're taking it to get the interior by Speedy Headliner. So it's gonna be real nice. I'm gonna tell him to surprise me. Should we do a star headliner way or no?
Yeah, we should.
We'll start headliner. Comment down below, guys. Let me know if we should do a star headliner on this truck or what you guys think. Porque así con el placoseo, ¿usted qué piensa, Mike? ¿Un star headliner o no?
Y se vería chingón.
Claro que sí. Y luego unas wheellights también se me darían con madre, güey.
Sí, la verdad, sí.
¿Quién se la va a llevar? ¿Tú? ¿O la llevo yo? ¿Se la quiere llevar, no?
Oye, está bien bonito el color.
Sí.
Desde allá.
¿Qué le van a poner? Siempre. ¿Qué color? ¿Van a ver qué color le van a poner en el interior?
Sí, no sé, Mike. El negro también se me daría con madre, güey, con un blue stitching. Pero ya viendo ahorita con el Speedy. Y así si le ponemos negro, el star headliner va a estar con un black suede y se va a mirar más chingón.
Oh, sí, también. Buena idea. Es que trae combinación negra, por eso se vería chingón el interior negro.
Tiene muchos accents negros.
Ya nos vamos, Mike, porque tenemos una carrera hoy.
¿O sí? ¿Dónde?
Let's go. Boy, guys, ahí viene la mamalona. Ketchup in the back. Look at that thing. That thing is looking sick. If you guys seen the little cinematic that Ketchup just did, holy macaroni. It's down. Remember, guys, the truck is a current giveaway, and every $10 is 15 entries. We're about to make it to Speedy, guys. We're gonna decide what color interior we're gonna do on the truck right now. Let's go. Ahí va Ketchup atrás. Speedy, ¿no? Damn it, boy. Holy crap. That thing is sick, guys. Deme, boy, ¿cómo ves, Speedy? ¿Eh? ¿Va este güey le anda dando vueltas o qué? ¿Qué anda haciendo, güey? ¿Se anda paseando? It looks badass, huh? The color is way different way. On pictures it looks like a blue. Yeah. But in person, nah, it's different. ¿Cómo le ves, güey?
Está como verdecito también, ¿no?
It's like a teal, ándale. ¿Cómo es, Speedy? So what interior you think we should do on this one, güey?
In the comments, I've seen a lot of people like peanut butter.
Yeah.
I feel like peanut butter would be nice.
But then you have to change the whole thing, güey. And then I want to do a star headliner, so I was thinking black so we could get the starlight. Yeah. Because look, peanut butter looks good, but black would look better.
I'll show you one that we did.
I think black way, that way we don't have to paint the doors or nothing. And then can you wrap this? Oh, it's already black. But maybe do like a badass stitching here somewhere. Oh, the seat build with the same color like this is gonna look real good.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. We have the interior right now. It looks like crap. It's original seats, but Speedy's gonna put him back to its original, beautiful black leather. Oh yeah, that looks good, way. Nah, I think I want it black.
Black. We can probably do the all this. We can do everything black, the teal stitching, and like we'll add something in here as well.
Maybe put like a little project work right here.
Oh yeah.
Something cool. Black carpet otra vez brand new, way. Of course, te digo que black headliner pero suede y con la star headlight. Can you put like some lights acá abajo, way?
Yeah, we can put some underglow underneath the sheets.
Yeah. So underglow right here, the lights up here, and I think that should look good, no? O también el steering wheel wrap it, way.
I can probably give you these. See if they can paint in the same color as this.
Which ones? Yeah, wrap them con the stitching.
On the door panels.
You can paint these black, no?
Yeah, we can paint them black. We'll black everything out. We'll murder everything out.
Yeah, everything murdered out. Y esto también. Que tenga un badass like stitching right here, you know? Like this. También esto es todo black. Guys, you already know we brought it to the best Speedy headliner. This truck is one of a kind. ¿Cómo se mira el color, Speedy?
Nah, está bien feo. It's a lot better in person, I kid you not. In pictures and stuff, it looks different, but in person,
It looks blue in pictures, huh? So I want to do a black también because we have all the black accents.
black accents on it.
You know how we did the lifting one with the star headliner and the wheel lights? That's look real good. You got a sample of the leather you're gonna put on it? Yeah. Alright guys, let's go check out what leather he's gonna put on the seats and what stitching he's gonna put on all the sewings that he's gonna do.
Heavier grain. You want to take it over there?
Aquí se puede poner.
Yeah.
Hace que se mire like más thicker, no?
We can. We can get a heavier grain in there.
Is this real leather, güey? Okay.
Yeah, that's real leather.
Damn it, boy. Damn,
That's
but what leather?
Napa leather. So
I
it's
think I like this one, way. What you think? That one's a little too light. I want to compare it with the truck. Alright guys, so we got both of these colors. This one's a little bit darker, this one's a little too light. But let's see next to the truck, see what it looks like. Este da, wey?
Otro es baby blue.
Yeah. De este. Hell yeah, vamos a ver cómo se va a mirar adentro. ¿La ver perroda?
And with the seatbelt, I'm gonna try to get same color seatbelt as well.
Yeah, hell yeah. So también te digo que stitches así, güey, aquí que se mire mamalón.
No, no, sí.
And then with the star headlights, güey, y underglow, y con like a little teal color that shit look nice.
Va a ver bien bonita. El steering wheel.
The steering wheel is gonna be wrapped con stitching también, güey.
You wanna black this out también?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna get another cluster, but this is just a cover, no? Yeah, black it out. Nomás déjale lo chrome, güey, so it could go with the wheels. Then esta leather.
It's Napa, so that's what you get on basically like on our 8s, like Lamborghinis and stuff. So it's like the smooth leather that they have. If you want me to go with a heavy grain, it'll be like this right here. It has more texture.
So which one's, this one's better?
that one's really, if
What
you
you
want
think?
to go with it.
Que se mire así o que se mira más así.
Ah, sí, negra oscura.
But el texture.
La textura. Esa está lisa,
¿O la
luego
textura?
hay una más pesada.
Pues yo digo que con el stitching se va a ver. Este se ve bien.
Yeah, este para que se mire bien
Bien
blacked
lisita.
out.
Ajá.
So este es el que le ponen los Lamborghinis?
Yeah, that's Napa leather.
Napa leather?
Napa. N-A-P-A.
Napa. Vamos a traer Lamborghini leather en la mamalona, güey,
Esta troca está bien perra. Está bien.
Everybody looks at it, huh? Sí, güey, esta. Lamborghini leather, boy. Hell
Sí,
yeah.
esta sí va a ser una show truck.
Star headliner, underglow, badass suede headliner. Wrap it. ¿Está cagado o no? Sí,
It
pues,
doesn't have a cover here. No more surprise or
do something cool, güey.
I'll do something
You get
cool.
down, you know?
We'll do something different.
The little lifted single cab that you took us, that clean, way. I like how that gray looks.
So you want everything black, right?
Everything
pointed out,
black,
except
yeah.
for the stitching.
Except for the stitching. But the Project Tour one, the Project Tour logo, I wanted blacked out.
This one, you are going to raise it up a little bit. Como por hasta aquí.
Okay.
Lo que es el centro, no es para atrás.
Está bueno.
Same double stitch, right?
Well, if you can do something fancy, que se mire con madre, you know?
You want this?
Whatever you think is gonna look good, you know? You're the interior master. Whoever takes this truck, guys, is taking, not show truck, paint, interior, wheels,
Lighting.
everything.
¿Qué más quieren, verdad?
Ya está Speedy. Well, guys, we're gonna leave this truck here with Speedy. You already know he's gonna do a great job with it, and you're gonna be posting it on your TikTok and Instagram, ¿verdad?
I'll post it today. We'll go do the assembly tomorrow morning. So you go ahead and see everything.
So there you go, guys. If you want to check him out, Speedy Headliner on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, no?
Facebook,
Todo.
MySpace, YouTube.
YouTube, everything. So go check him out. And if you guys want a badass interior, you guys will see how he's gonna do this one and how he's done all the other ones. So definitely hit him up. What's the address here, Wayne?
It's 12220 State Highway 249, Suite number 1.
And somebody wants to call you, or
They call me at 832-322-4481.
there it is, guys. Hit him up. He does top of the line work.